I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC issue. Make sure to follow my methods. Firstly, you should go to the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Make sure to open this. Once done, look for the display adapters element. After that, make sure to double click on it. Now go for your graphics card, right click and select update driver. Select the first option. After that, click on close. See if that works. Otherwise, for the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Make sure to open the NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, just go to their official website and download it from there. Once done, sign up with an account or log in with your existing one. After that, go to the driver's icon in the left menu and make sure to select the install or download button in order to update your graphics card driver. After that, go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. Now close this, go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam icon appearing, right click and select exit Steam. Now go ahead and open the Steam launcher. You'll be redirected to the store. So go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. After that, go to settings and click it. Now go to the downloads and the left menu and select clear cache. After that, click on confirm. Next, go to the storage section and make sure to select the driver that you have the game on. After that, click on these three dots right here and make sure to click on repair library. Now you can close this, go to your library. After that, click on collections, look for Battlefield. The game must be installed. I don't have it installed, so I'm going to show you using this one. When you select it, click on this gear icon. After that, select properties. Once done, go to the installed files element and then click verify integrity of game files. Any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the issue will be automatically fixed. Make sure to wait for the process to finish. You can go to the general option in the top left corner. After that, make sure to type in -dx11. You can close all of this. The last method that you can do, go to the Windows icon. After that, click settings. Once this appears, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, make sure to select check for updates and download all of them. And that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.